This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 59, Case Study II Internet of Health Things Part A. As renewable energy sources like solar and wind gain momentum, their intermittent nature poses operational challenges for the grid. The surging adoption of electric vehicles, with India alone having over 40 million EVs, presents risks to voltage regulation due to their mobile and high load characteristics. Excess solar generation during off-peak hours can lead to voltage rise and reverse power flow from the distribution network back to the source, causing further operational complexities. To analyze these issues, IIT Roorkee's distribution system, with its varying load profiles and modeled solar rooftops across the 11 and 415V networks, serves as a research platform. An optimization model has been formulated to determine the optimal locations and sizes for battery energy storage systems, minimizing investment and operational costs through efficient placement. The simulated solutions are validated through power hardware in the loop PHIL experimentation setups, comprising battery emulators, bidirectional converters, power amplifiers, and real-time simulation systems. The PHIL setup accurately replicates the behavior of battery storage systems connected to the IIT Roorkee network, enabling the observation of charging-discharging power profiles and voltage regulation capabilities. Leveraging these optimization and PHIL validation results, 5 battery storage systems have been strategically deployed across the IIT Roorkee distribution system to effectively regulate voltage and manage peak energy demands. The Institute has further established a microgrid architecture, integrating 170 of solar capacity, a 200 battery system, and a 111 load, with provisions for diesel backup. This microgrid serves as a testbed for the broader deployment of battery storage solutions, with plans for an 800 battery installation at 5 locations to optimally utilize roof solar generation across the campus. The proposed energy storage systems offer functionalities like peak energy management, smoothing of renewable fluctuations, enabling better renewable utilization, providing uninterrupted supply, and improving overall voltage and frequency stability, thereby enhancing the distribution network infrastructure. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.